What's up, guys? So in this video, I'm going to break down my long that I took at open, catching about 100 points in about a couple seconds. So let's dive right into it. If you like this type of content, make sure you like and subscribe. My name is Jack with Devoted Trading, and let's dive in. So my morning forecast, jumped on and was looking at the charts, and I'll just show you what I posted in my Discord if you guys are interested in joining that. It's a free Discord. I posted my morning forecast, and I said the bias is bullish. Friday's profile. So in quarterly theory, you don't count Friday as its own. You count Friday as its own session. So the first quarter in the week is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday is its own session. So knowing that, I was looking at the individual sessions, meaning the Asia, London profile, to see if what it was. And so I was seeing that it was an AMD X profile, um, meaning that for, I'll look at the 5-minute chart here, popping on the charts roughly around this time, I saw that Asia was accumulating, London manipulated down, and so I was expecting a distribution higher to potentially take out previous day high or at least, yeah, for Friday. So I was looking for a manipulation lower to go higher. So seeing what I was seeing roughly around 9 o'clock-ish, around this time, on the 15-minute, I was seeing a 15 minutes kind of mitigation breaker right about here, and that was going to be my point of interest. So I marked that out on Discord here as the bot. First, I called out the profile, MDX profile, meaning that the accumulation, distribution, manipulation, and then, oops, where's my Discord? There it is. So I was looking for a manipulation down below true-day open to distribute higher until, got my typos in here, until 1 hour unfilled. That's what it is. Unfilled 1 hour SIBI as my first target, and then previous day high as my second target. 15-minute breaker. I said 15, forgot the M there, but 15-minute breaker as my POI. So how that looked to be is, and how that actually worked out was, we just go down to the 1 minute at open. Stretch it out here so everybody can see. So let's just play this out till about 9:30. Just kind of accumulating. And okay, oh, that happened a little too fast. All right, so here's 9:30 open, and what I was waiting for was that manipulation down to this 15-minute breaker, and then on the 1 hour, I saw that we had a. Oh wait, am I 9 o'clock? I already passed it. Anyways, I might have already passed it on the replay, but that was my target right there. And oh yeah, I haven't passed it. Okay, cool. So that was my target. And since I saw that this got really high and got really close to this 1 hour SIBI, this unfilled SIBI, I knew that was going to be some just an engineered buy side up there. So again, I was waiting for the manipulation. Let's go. So we open there and we're below TMSO. I'm waiting till we get under. There it is right there. So this is when I saw we got under true day open and New York open, and we rejected those two areas. This is about 9:38. I drilled down to the 15-second to look for an entry and look for any, oops, got to put this indicator on, any time nodes that I could see. And I think on the 1 minute, I didn't see it till later because they didn't plot till a little bit later, maybe. There it is. Once that plotted and I saw that 29 down there, that number, thanks to Bronx and his teachings, then I felt really confident that we were going to displace higher to go up towards this target. Plus, this had a node here that could be used as a potential target, and I knew that this SMT was going to be faded. So I waited for a retrace, I believe. I was down on the 15-second, waiting for a retrace, and I got in somewhere around there. So this we already displaced above this 15-second iFVG and this 15-second BISI. So I was waiting for a retrace. I might have gotten in around there. I think this is where I got in right here. So let's see that. Let's see my entry. Yeah. So my entry is right there, right at this low. So I waited for that retrace. So I saw this. Once I saw the numeric time indicator pop up with that time, and we displaced above. I was waiting for a retrace, ideally down to fill this 15-second inversion, but we never got that. So I added 2 contracts right there. Yeah, this is 15-second as well. Yep. And then yeah, that was my target. So added there, and then I believe I added 2 more since I think I saw it's just this place higher, so I wanted to add 2 more. I think I added 3 more actually, so I was in 5 contracts. Right around this area, I could have waited a bit more to tap into this wickless candle here and a BISI, small BISI, to target, hold, and held till the final target at around 750, 747, around there. So by that time, I already made what was it, $800. I missed about 100 points. So entries out here around 646. So roughly around 646, around there. Stock could be below this this BISI, targeting that. Let me turn off the trade manager indicator. But that was my entry right there. Boom. And then, of course, we displaced all the way up to a target. And then, boom, got up to that target. Target hit. And that was a trade. I mean, it's done like, I don't know, was this 40 and like 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes. So one and done, passed the eval. And yeah, super easy. It played out exactly as I anticipated. And I know that from here, this 1 hour SIBI could have been your POI for a lot of people. So I think a lot of people were saying this is the POI, and then to retrace lower, which is what we did. Not retrace, but to continue lower down to this area for PM session, which is what happened. So we ended up, going down and filling out some of the unfilled gaps down below. But I was happy with what I got, 100 points off the open in about 5 minutes, and that was perfectly fine with me. Then I was done for the day, closed the charts, played with my kids as they woke up, and called it a day. So anyways, that's the trade breakdown. Hope you guys learned some from that. If you guys are interested in the indicators that I have, I created this sequential SMT indicator that tracks sequential SMT, plus it marks out the first BISI, or I'm sorry, the first FVG and iFVG automatically, so you can see that CST and use it as as your CST. I think it's pretty dope. I'm pretty stoked on it. But if you're interested in that, feel free to check out the link in the description. So boom, there it is. Let me just get this out of the way. But that was a trade. It marks it all out for you, and that's how you can time these entries and get really precise entries and for your trades. So using quarterly theory, make sure you're just kind of trading around the opens, especially when I saw this True-day open and New York open reject with this number node. I was feeling very confident that we were going to drop it right away. So that's why I just slapped along, added a little bit more, and held till target. So that's it for now. If you guys like this type of content, make sure you like and subscribe. I also stream typically power hour, or at least like the last 30 minutes of the day, typically. So if you guys want to join me stream for free, make sure you subscribe, join my free Discord, and we'll go from there. So hope you guys have a great weekend whenever you're watching this, and God bless. Take care.